Elna, Kshitij, and Gautam. Welcome to Catch Up Talks on Social Catch Up. I'm so glad to be talking to you guys today, and I hope you're doing well. If you can just quickly tell me what
Yeah,
you do, how you've been.
Yes, all good, all
it's
great.
all very good. It's all very good. Just waiting for the 23rd to happen.
जी हाँ, तो Chutzpah is coming on Sony Live very
Yeah.
soon. तो
Hmm.
what is the excitement level? आप लोगों का क्या thoughts चल रहा है फिलहाल? Elnaz, do you want to go first?
Yeah, excitement level is damn high, man. I think I've never been this excited for any of my other releases. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the look or the character that I'm portraying in the series. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm just wondering how everybody's gonna perceive Chutzpah.
Manjot, what about you?
I'm very excited and looking forward for 23rd July. मैं अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहता, but I must say कि this show is so beautifully written and beautifully conceived by Mrik sir and Amit Babbar, and amazingly directed by Simarpreet Singh, and I can't wait. जब मैंने ट्रेलर देखा था, I was shocked. मतलब इतना amazing ट्रेलर है यार. मतलब even the color tone of the trailer, the background score, the shots, they were so beautiful. तो I'm waiting for the show कि यार कब मैं properly देखूं और सारे episodes देखूं, अपना character देखूं, सब मतलब पूरा show देखूं. So I'm really looking forward for it.
Okay. Kshitij, what about you?
I'm very excited given the fact that it's my first project. So, like everyone said, सबकी hopes बहुत high है project को लेके, and everyone is looking forward to it. Given the fact that the trailer is, the trailer is loved by a lot of audience, and it's like we all know that something is great coming, but it's just like anxiously waiting for the 23rd. So it's like the excitement level is at its peak.
Okay. Gautam, is your excitement also at peak?
Super excited, super duper excited. They're like people have butterflies in their stomach. We have wild butterflies in our stomachs.
That was a good one.
And I'm sure people are going to love Chutzpah as they've loved the trailer, and I can vouch for it that the show is better than the trailer. It has so much more to offer that you haven't seen in the trailer.
It is, it looks a lot different, and plus Sony Liv का अभी आदत हो गई है ना बहुत अच्छे shows लाने की, तो expectation
Exactly.
high है anyways, because they've come up with such great shows in the past. So has that पहले तो I want to know that what made you want to be a part of this, and also did the fact that Sony Liv is doing so well with their shows put any sort of pressure on you? Yeah, you were more confident कि it'll be better because of the track record.
When I read the script, Mrik sir narrated me for the first time, or I was so happy and I was eagerly waiting कि यार कब ये start होगा. And when you know ना कि the people who are connected with the show, like Mrik sir, उन्होंने फुकरे direct किया, Varun was there, even director Simarpreet, I shot with him बहुत पहले.
Yeah.
So I was very happy and I was feeling confident कि नहीं यार जब अपने लोग मिलते हैं ना तो फिर ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं होती यार कि कैसे होगा क्या होगा. Then you are in safe hands. Then ऊपर से मैडॉक का शो है, सोनी लिव पे आ रहा है. So I was content नहीं यार सब safe है. जैसे एक बच्चे को, एक न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को जैसे केयर रखी जाती वैसी एक ये शो होगा, बहुत अच्छे से दिखेगा, बहुत अच्छे से परोसा जाएगा. तो 23rd जुलाई की वेट हो रही है बस.
हम सभी को हो रही है, just to be clear. Elnaz, what made you want to be a part of it?
I guess first of all, the craziness of the character that I will be portraying. I knew they're paying so much attention to each of her looks, each detail was taken care of. And obviously the makers, who wouldn't want to work with Maddock? Who doesn't want to work with Mixer or Simarsa? So when you have such people backing a show like that, you know it's going to be good. So
Yes.
then you just trust and you let go, even if you're playing a cam girl.
Okay. Gautam, what about you?
Of course, I mean it's an enviable team that has made Chutzpah. Sony Live is anyway on a roll with their shows. All their shows, every successive show is better than the previous one, and
True.
Chutzpah will be so different from everything that you've ever seen. And it's wonderfully written, it's fantastically made and directed,
Yeah.
and I'm sure you guys will have a lot of fun watching Chutzpah.
Okay. Kshitij, what about you?
Yeah, so like I said, I couldn't have asked for a better show to start off with my career. So
Hmm.
when I got to know that it's with Maddock, when it's with Simmer sir, and I'll be playing my character along with Manjot Paji, Varun Bhai, Elnaz and Tanya and Gautam. I was very excited. I still remember we were talking at Maddock office. I was telling I met him for the first time, Manjot Paji, and he was so like he was talking to me as if ये मेरे बहुत बचपन के दोस्त हैं. I was like all telling him कि अरे भाई मैंने आपकी ये movies देखी I'm a big fan. He's like हाँ 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 और अच्छे से वो so it
So
was
sweet.
right now also it seems so surreal to me because I've seen so many films of Mrik sir, of Varun Paji, of Manjot Paji, and then I got this opportunity to work with them. So sometimes it's like I couldn't have asked for a better break. That is for sure.
That's great. And the trailer has a lot of elements. Okay, there's this sexy vibe happening. Then wo thoda romance bhi chal raha hai, and then this little some funny things also happening. So I feel like it's a complete entertaining show because every aspect is sort of covered in this. But tell me, how was it working with each other? Did you have a lot of scenes together? Because from what I understand, it's usual most of it is through the screens. So did you all have
Yeah.
any scenes together?
Kevin and I shot some scenes together, fortunately,
Okay.
because हाँ मतलब हमारे scenes थे काफी, and then I shot some scenes with a girl,
Hmm.
Nina. But then apart from that, most of the scenes were in front of the screen. So
But
yeah,
all of you.
I think mostly.
Absolutely.
Wow, what a time to be alive and
It's a
working.
virtual show.
Yeah,
It's a
it
virtual
is.
show.
In its true sense, I think they were like, ये aspect तो होगा ही cover, virtually बना लेते हैं.
नहीं,
So
but it's not like जबरदस्ती virtually बनाया. The
no,
story
it
is such
flows
that
through. Yeah, yeah.
हाँ, वो
Right.
It just fits well.
perfect story for the
And
perfect time.
it just fit, yeah, it just fit the Corona
Yeah.
time so well that we actors didn't even need to meet each other. We just shot everything.
So, but a certain sort of like chemistry or a level of not just like romantic chemistry, but on-screen chemistry is required, right, between characters. So, without meeting each other, were there preps that happened before, virtually at least?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We had a lot. Manjot and me, we met a lot. We prepped a lot.
We had like a lot of narrations together. Everything, look test, पूरा जितने भी सारे जो प्रोसेस होता है, costume trials, look test, narrations. Then you meet director, आप अपने doubts clear करते हो, अच्छा मैं ऐसे कर लूँ वैसे कर लूँ. So ये पूरी preparation proper होने के बाद ही I think हम गए थे floor पे, and even मृग सर हैं और सिमरप्रीत सिंह जो डायरेक्टर हैं, and मृग सर is the creator of the show. ये दो लोग ऐसे हैं जो आपको बिना प्रिपेयर किए जाने देंगे ही नहीं. Like अगर उनको जब तक देखेगा नहीं ना, he is ready. वो I think वो ऐसे हैं, वो आगे थोड़ा बहुत पुश भी कर देंगे. They'll fight with the producer, नहीं यार अभी थोड़ा और टाइम चाहिए. We need actors to be prepared. So yeah.
That's a pretty great team to have, no, to work
Yeah,
with.
we are blessed. We are blessed.
Touchwood कर लेते हैं सब लोग. Okay, so are there any like usually I ask this question क्योंकि on set सब कुछ होता है, but any memorable incidents that you'll have, or without getting into specifics, any one part of the show that you absolutely loved doing? Kshitij, do you? Want to go first?
Yeah, so like as we have said, the show was shot, in front of the screen,
Yeah.
and so there were scenes wherein you had to romance, and then there was no girl in front of you. So Simmer sir used to give the cues. So I said this yesterday also. I actually romanced with Simmer sir more than my co-actor. So it was really funny and exciting. He was giving me cues and he was romancing with me.
Yeah.
That was kind of very funny. And yeah.
That's interesting. Gautam, what about you?
Um, everything was quite memorable for me because it's for the first time that I got to play such an exciting part in such an amazing show. And but especially I mean, Kevin is a vlogger and what you call a YouTuber, not a YouTuber, but he makes videos for social media and he has a
Yeah.
following. तो वो जो वीडियोस बनाने के टाइम अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स और अलग अलग क्रेजीनेस जो क्रिएट करी हमने
जी.
उसमें बहुत बहुत मजा आया एंड आई थिंक देख के भी बहुत मजा आने वाला है सबको.
Okay.
I remember I used to go to his vanity and I used to see his clothes. मैंने कहा तू आज ये पहनने वाला है, आज तू ये पहन रहा है. सारे अतरंगी कपड़े, सारे अतरंगी डिजाइन्स केविन के. And I was like, wow.
Wow. That's interesting. Elnaz, what about you? What is one memorable incident?
Quite memorable for me, maybe not like in a funny way, but the fact that I used to get a lot of headache from the wigs that I used to wear.
Oh,
Because for
Yeah.
each look, I used to have a different wig, and those wigs, because it was during the lockdown mostly, and the pandemic was happening, where we wanted to get the wigs from, that place wasn't functional. So we had to somehow get the wigs from wherever we could, if they would fit my head or not. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बस यही विग चाहिए तो इसको ले लो और कुछ करेंगे वैसे. So we would have extreme tight wigs, and from me wearing them and going on to set already, the headache would start. It would itch everywhere. It would just press everywhere.
Yeah.
And I had to act throughout and keep it for so many hours. That was like a crazy memory for me. Like I still feel the pain on my
Oh.
head. If you might take that as a memory.
I think, yeah, that's a valid one. Ouch. Manjot, what about you? Do you have a good or a painful memory?
Yeah. It's okay.
think-
At the end, it looks nice, and that's
Yeah,
enough.
it does.
That's all
Yeah.
that matters.
Fabulous.
Correct. Yeah, I think जब आपको कोई काम पसंद है ना करना, तो फिर वो हर मोमेंट बहुत लवेबल होता है, बहुत अमेजिंग होता है. तो सारी मेमोरीज बहुत अमेजिंग होती है. बट द डे व्हेन आई साइन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ना, सो तब से लेके आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड. मुझे ना शूट करने से ज्यादा मुझे एक्साइटमेंट होती है वो प्रोसेस की, जो आप मीटिंग्स करते हो, आप नए को एक्टर्स से मिलते हो,
जी.
आपके लुक टेस्ट होते हैं, आप आपको पता चलता है इस दिन शूट है, ये कॉल टाइम होगा, कहाँ पे शूट होगा, क्या कॉस्ट्यूम पहनना है, फर्स्ट डे क्या कॉस्ट्यूम है, फर्स्ट डे क्या लुक है, मतलब बहुत चीजें होती हैं. प्रोसेस है पूरा
जी.
जो प्री प्रोडक्शन होता है. तो उस प्रोसेस में ना मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. मुझे अलग अलग फोन आते हैं कि अच्छा आपको इसके लिए आना है, आपको ये आना है. सो शूट से ज्यादा मैं ये ज्यादा एंजॉय करता हूँ.
Thank you so much, guys, for being so fun, and
Thank
I
you.
love the trailer.
Thank you.
Definitely can't wait to watch. But
Thank
before you go, please tell the audience why they should watch it and when and where.
3rd July, Sony Live. It's a brilliant show. और आप प्लीज आगे बोलो.
मैं तो बोल सकती हूँ कि अगर if not for anything else, watch it for Wild Butterfly.
मैं तो
I'm
यही
gonna
करने
be-
वाला हूँ. I'm gonna watch it only for
I'm
you.
going to be there for Wild Butterfly, definitely. Thank you so much, guys. This was great fun.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Hopefully soon
Bye-bye.
with samosas. Bye.
Bye.